The InFocus Genesis IN118BBST short throw projector is all about getting a cinematic experience in small spaces without the usual hassle. This DLP projector brings together clear visuals, impressive brightness, and flexible installation, making it a strong performer for both home and professional use. One of its biggest advantages is the short throw capability. You don't need a massive distance between the projector and the screen to get a large display. Even when placed close to the wall, the IN118BBST can project a bright, wide image that fills the room. This makes it perfect for tight environments like living rooms, classrooms, or compact offices where space is limited but performance is still a priority. The image performance is exactly what you'd expect from a DLP projector in this category. Colors come out bold and vibrant, details remain sharp, and motion is smooth whether you're watching movies, gaming, or doing a presentation. The native 16:9 aspect ratio gives you that true widescreen experience, ideal for streaming modern content or running professional slides. Brightness is another highlight. It handles well in a variety of lighting situations, maintaining visibility and clarity even if the room isn't fully dark. Whether it's a morning meeting or a late-night movie, the IN118BBST holds up with consistent image output. When it comes to connectivity, this projector doesn't hold back. With HDMI and VGA ports, it supports both new and legacy devices. You can easily connect laptops, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or streaming sticks in seconds. It's simple, straightforward, and designed to fit into any setup without the need for extra accessories. The build quality feels reliable and practical. InFocus has a long reputation for durable projectors, and this model continues that legacy. It's built to last with stable cooling, minimal fan noise, and easy lamp replacement. You won't need to worry about heavy maintenance. Just plug it in and enjoy. Another advantage is portability. It's compact and lightweight enough to move around or even take outdoors for a backyard movie night. Despite its small size, it can produce a screen size up to 120 inches, giving you a full cinematic view wherever you set it up. For those looking to use it professionally, it's a dependable presentation tool that delivers clean and crisp visuals in business settings. For home users, it offers entertainment that rivals large TVs without taking up the same amount of space. That blend of functionality and convenience is what makes the IN118BBST such a practical pick. Overall, the InFocus Genesis IN118BBST short throw DLP projector strikes the perfect balance between quality, performance, and portability. It's a great fit for anyone wanting a high-impact display experience without a complicated setup or massive budget. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this InFocus Genesis IN118BBST short throw DLP projector 16:9, then please visit the link provided in the description.